We're now going to cover the pandas timedelta64 data type, and we're going to convert a series of integers again. Let's go ahead and assign that to s, and we're going to use the as type method over here, timedelta64. The way you do it is you just write timedelta64 and then brackets, and then inside the brackets you put the unit. So we could say these are seconds, if we treat them as seconds, so 423 seconds translates to 7 minutes and 3 seconds. We could treat it as hours, which will translate as 17 days and 15 hours. We could treat it as minutes, like this. This is 7 hours and 3 minutes. So it can go up to even days, so 423 days, that is the highest unit. You can go down to nanoseconds like this, so 423 nanoseconds. And so that's how you can convert an integer series to a timedelta64 object. Again, pandas will only use timedelta64 or only use nanosecond precision for your timedelta64 objects. Now there are other ways to create time deltas and actually date times as well that I'll show in that time series part. So this is really this part is really dealing with the series and then how to convert it with the as type method.